Hi guys, today we're going to do a little video on how to change the clock spring in a 2005 Pontiac 5 GT. The process is about the same as it would be in a Toyota Matrix or a Toyota Corolla. Pretty much any car that has a clock spring, it's the same setup. Most cars are like this. So, there we go, let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a torque screw thingy, this thing here. You got a couple of screws up in here. If I can get up in there and see it. Yeah, right there. You put this up. Oh, well, first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. But I already did that. You only have to disconnect the negative battery terminal. You don't need to do positive as well. Just a negative. You'll be fine. So there's one on each side. There's one on this side, right there, and then there's one on this side, right there. So I already unscrewed them, but as you can see, it won't come off. So you're gonna have to go get a flathead screwdriver, put it in, see if I can get in here. Get it in right here, and pry this little plastic piece out. So you can pull it out. So you'll pop that out and then the screw will fall down in. You'll just have to have something like this with a magnet to pull it out with. Be a lot easier. There we go. Once you get this far, you take this is for the horn, and if you have cruise control like I do, I don't know why I have cruise control because it's standard, but you can do it in either order. You can take this piece here off, just wiggle it, pull it right off, and then this one here, pull it like that, and as you can see, that's not supposed to be like that. It's cracked right there. That's why mine broke. And up top, right, it'll focus. There we go. Right there. You can see that's broken. I'll show you when I pull it off too. Now, next step. You got this little this bolt, nut right here. Yeah, it's nut right here. You gotta get that off. You'll want a good thing here. You also, when you park your car, before you do this, you want to make sure the steering wheel is straight. So that way when you put it back on, it's straight. So then you want to take this, and I'm gonna put the phone down for this, but you just hold the steering wheel with one hand and turn this with the other.